Hello. This is first NPO Chalons of today. First NPO Chalons against over 7,000 pigeons. It will be the fastest one of over 24,000 pigeons. Section 9, 10 and 11 altogether. Father is King Rolex. Is a son of Rolex. First national ace W8ZB. Went paired to Chanel 05. First international ace West European Nations Cup all round in 2010. Mother is born out of a co-breeding with Cartier. She's from Shamrock Ike, so the father of Return Flojo. Went paired with Miss Overegge. The mother is also the grandmother of first fastest Samazes against over 14,000 pigeons 1 year ago at Johan de Belser. Within 7 days time we will win 2 times the fastest pigeon of the entire north of Holland.